Welcome back to BSCN, your source for all crypto news, from breaking to useless. Today we're going to do a blockchain breakdown of one of the absolute decentralized finance OGs in the industry. One of the dexes that made DeFi cool all those years ago. I'm talking, of course, about PancakeSwap and its native token, Cake. Now, you know the rules. Before we get into it, nothing in here is financial advice. You should always do your own research and never risk more than you are willing to lose or see go to zero, as crypto is highly speculative and nothing is guaranteed. The content in this video has been put together by BSCN's research team and may contain opinions and subjectivities, so make sure you are well aware of all the risks before you jump in. Now let's get into one of the sweetest projects in DeFi, Cake. Even though most of you have probably heard of PancakeSwap and have probably already used it, we'll give a brief overview anyway. PancakeSwap was founded by an anonymous team in Q3 of 2020, a DEX built originally for use on the Binance Smart Chain, which is now the BNB Chain. Since then, however, the project has expanded both in terms of network support and products, but we'll get into that later. According to DeFi Llama, PancakeSwap is now active across a full 9 different ecosystems and chains. The Cake token is PancakeSwap's utility token and is listed on just about every major centralized exchange in the industry, including Binance itself. However, some of the most active Cake markets are unsurprisingly on PancakeSwap. Cake token hit an all-time high valuation in May of 2021 when it reached a market cap of an enormous $6.62 billion according to CoinMarketCap. And currently Cake still boasts a market cap of around $690 million. Today, PancakeSwap's team is still anonymous, but has grown to be extensive, with the project's documentation detailing as many as 37 different chefs, all led by the head chef, Chef Mochi. Cake is the utility token of the PancakeSwap ecosystem, and it has multiple use cases, including staking, governance, liquidity provisioning, trading fee payments, and several others relating to PancakeSwap's various other products. Cake has a maximum supply of 450 million tokens, according to CMC, and its current circulating supply sits around the 55% mark, meaning while there is still some vesting to go, the majority of Cake is already available in the market. But Cake's holder count is actually one of the asset's most impressive traits. According to BSCN Scan, Cake is distributed across an impressive 1.63 million holders, making it one of the most decentralized assets in the DeFi sector. This figure doesn't even include the handful of other chains which also play host to varying sums of Cake. Tough blockchain data on explorers can be notoriously hard to extrapolate, but it appears as if a mind-blowing 76% of Cake's BNB Chain supply has been burned, sitting in this in-only address. After this burn address, though, the next largest holders are almost exclusively centralized exchange addresses or DeFi pools, meaning that Cake doesn't seem to suffer from the concentration problems that all various other DeFi projects do. One of Cake's features that has most excited its community is the various burn mechanisms imposed on the asset. There is no doubt that part of the reason why a BNB Chain burn address holds so much Cake is because there are so many mechanisms by which protocol use that a community translates into permanently burning Cake tokens. According to the project's documentation, these include but are not limited to every single one of the burn requirement functions listed here. This massive list of Cake burning catalysts are without a doubt the reason why the project is able to announce token burns worth tens of millions of dollars. PancakeSwap's ecosystem is now so mature that there is no way we could cover all of its recent developments in this bite-sized video. But within countless initiatives, reward schemes, and more, there are a few highlights that especially stand out. In March, the DEX unveiled PancakeSwap v4, which not only reduced gas costs for its enormous user base, but also added greater customizability when it comes to liquidity pool functionality. But news that most hardcore traders were hyped about was the announcement in early April that PancakeSwap unveiled options trading on its platform, in collaboration with Strike, further expanding the DEX's already muscular functionality. The feature debuted on Ethereum L2 Arbitrum, but knowing the PancakeSwap team, there are plans to expand further and across different networks. There have also been announcements and developments surrounding PancakeSwap's expansion into other key crypto verticals, most notably gaming. Not only does PancakeSwap develop and implement its own Web3 games, like Pancake Protectors, but it also hosts its own gaming marketplace, through which it has been collaborating with other major blockchain gaming studios and IP. And honestly, how many DEXs can also boast that they have their own gaming wing? So now let's take a quick look at PancakeSwap's current metrics and statistics. According to DeFi Llama, PancakeSwap boasts a staggering TVL of nearly $2.5 billion. What's more impressive is that the DEX's TVL trend seems to signal an upward trajectory, with the community no doubt hoping to reclaim the $8 billion heights seen in May of 2021. But the standout metric is definitely the volume that PancakeSwap sees across its various products. In the last 24 hours alone, the DEX has seen a staggering $950 million in trading volume, meaning it competes with all but the very largest centralized exchanges in the industry. This is probably how PancakeSwap has been able to accrue an unbelievable $196 billion in cumulative trading volume over the course of its life. It is also worth noting that PancakeSwap's new derivatives product has also seen an almost $100 million worth of volume in the last 24 hours, meaning the new product has certainly been well received by the Cake community. These strong statistics translate to PancakeSwap being not only the 15th largest DeFi protocol in the entire industry by TVL, but also the single biggest DeFi project in the entire BNB Chain ecosystem, which is the third largest chain by TVL. This DeFi OG has been a household name in the crypto space for years now, and that doesn't seem likely to change anytime soon given its current scale of usership and its TVL. That said, despite moves to bring its platform to other chains, BNB Chain still makes up the vast majority of PancakeSwap's token distribution platform usage and TVL, meaning that its success is, to a certain extent, tied to that of the world's fourth largest crypto asset, BNB. The non-stop barrage of exciting updates, product developments, and announcements should be more than enough to keep the Cake community engaged and attract new users, though. And PancakeSwap's various expansions into different sectors, including gaming, should translate to growth across multiple sectors. While Cake may still have some emissions left to go, the various burn mechanisms on the asset continue to apply deflationary pressure and chip away at Cake's total supply, sometimes to the tune of tens of millions of dollars, which leads to scalability and stability overall. That's all for this blockchain breakdown of Cake on BSCN. We hope you've learned a little more information that helps you decide on whether or not you're interested in getting in the kitchen for some cake. Make sure you check out all of PancakeSwap's official channels for more information, follow BSCN to stay up to date on all crypto news, and let us know which projects you'd like to see on our next blockchain breakdown. I'm Jackie Dutton, and I will see you on Chain.